Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this delicious smoothie bowl. I'm going to show you how I add some vegetables to my smoothie bowl to maximize the nutritional benefits. It's thick, very creamy, and tastes so amazing even the pickiest of eaters will ask for more. If you're new to my channel, a warm welcome. And for all my returning subscribers, welcome back. To see how we put this smoothie bowl together, keep on watching. In this video, I will be using a Vitamix blender. It comes with a hole in the lid and this handy dandy tamper tool that is used to push food down into the processing blades as it blends. If you haven't got a Vitamix, you can still use any high-speed blender. All you need to do is to switch it off intermittently while you're blending, remove the lid, and push down using a large spoon or a spatula. All my ingredients for this nutritious smoothie bowl are frozen. I'm using cauliflower, butternut squash, ripe bananas, mixed berries, some almond milk, and to maximize the benefits, I'm adding some vanilla protein. And for the toppings, I am using some granola, some coconut flakes, some chia seeds, and a few almonds. You can also use a combination of fruits or any toppings of your choice. Add all the frozen fruits and vegetables to the blender, followed by a quarter cup of almond milk. Start blending on low speed and gradually increasing the speed to high while using the tamper tool to push the fruits and vegetables down into the blade. If you're using a regular blender, you may need to stop the blender and using a spoon or a spatula to push the fruit and vegetable down into the blade, then start blending again. Approximately halfway into the blending, add 1 scoop of protein powder. Keep blending until you get to a smooth, thick, and creamy consistency. Transfer it to a serving bowl and add your toppings. And there you have it guys, thick, creamy and delicious smoothie bowl with added vegetables. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do consider doing so you will not miss out on my next upload. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.